Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Spotify Wrapped not working problem. Our first solution is we need to update our Spotify app. To do that, open your Play Store. And if you see any update available here, then update your Spotify app and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to uninstall our Spotify app and we need to install it. But before doing that, open your phone settings. Search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on Spotify. Storage usage. Clear cache. Clear data. And uninstall your Spotify app. And restart your mobile. After restarting, go to your Play Store. Now reinstall Spotify app, sign into your account and check the problem if solved or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.